The question say if open bracket n minus 1 close bracket raised to power n is equals to 81, we should find the value of n. So what we are going to do is our n minus 1 all raised to power n is equals to what? 81. I can split this 81 into what? 9 times 9. So here I'm going to have what? N minus 1 raised to power n is equals to what? 9 times 9. I hope you understand. Then we have n minus 1 all raised to power n. I can also split 9 as well, 3 raised to power 2, because 3 times 3 is 9. Here now we have 3 raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power 2. Then I apply the what? Multiplication law of indices. State that if the base are the same, you add the power. So n minus 1 all raised to power n is equals to what? 3 raised to power 2 plus 2. Then we have n minus 1 all raised to power n is equals to 3 raised to power 4. Alright. So the next thing is that I want the what? The left hand side to be equals to the what? To the right hand side. And how will I do that? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say n minus 1 all raised to power n is equals to, I'll write this as 4 minus 1 all raised to power what? 4. Because 4 minus 1 is still 3. I've not changed anything. And we look at the number inside, which is n is equals to what? 4. That means n is equals to 4. And we look at the power also is equals to 4. So the value of n is 4. Thank you.